Hey everyone, this is Dr. Kanita. I want to talk about some spring health tips that you can do. So one of the things I love is tea. And for spring allergies, dandelion tea is really great for this time of year for allergies and getting rid of toxins. You can honestly just pick dandelions out of the yard, or you can get some at the store and boil them for about 10-15 minutes. And you drink that throughout the day. It helps get rid of toxins again and soothes the liver function. The other tea you can get is peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is great for this time of year if you have like dry, itchy red eyes or congestion. Is really great to help with any of those symptoms around the nose and the eyes. Another great tea that you can get is chrysanthemum tea. You can get this at any Asian store or the Whole Foods market. Chrysanthemum tea is another great herb to help with itchy eyes or itchy skin from allergies or any eczema issues. So that's another tea that you can get. So again, the dandelion tea, great for getting rid of toxins in the body and helping with the liver function. Peppermint tea and chrysanthemum tea to help with the itchy eyes, the congestion, or any redness around the face or skin. So try those out and let me know how it goes.